Hi, welcome to Notch 8. I'm your host, Ephraim Ellenbogen, and today we've got some thoughts from outside of the box with our guest today. You know him as Bob Fallowfield. Welcome, Bob.
I am known as Bob Fallowfield. Thank you, Ephraim. Good to be back.
Yeah, nice to have you. Nice to see you again. Today we're going to be talking about freight cars. Mainly, what kind of message are we bringing today?
Well, what happens is if you're like most model railroaders, you have plastic tubs in your basement and they're full of cars.
Yeah,
and they're
that's right.
probably full of cars that are in the box, and they're cars that you've probably never had out of the box.
It's like you've been to my house.
Yeah, and well, we're all guilty of it to one degree or another. So you've got, a collection like this, it's in the tub, and then you've got maybe a collection like this, and you've got some of these, and this is what you have, and this is as far as it ever gets.
Okay.
And every so often you go to the hobby shop or you go to a train show and you come back with more of these boxes.
To add to the collection.
And you take them downstairs and you put them in the Rubbermaid tote, and then you move on.
Right.
And what happens after years of doing that is you may have hundreds, some people have thousands of cars, never been out of the box.
That's right.
For me, I'm an operator. And so that's not good enough for me. When I buy a model, it's because it's going to have a job and it's going to be employed on my layout and it's going to be used in regular operation.